Are you looking for the best water heaters? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best water heaters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. EcoSmart ECO11 Electric Tankless Water Heater. The EcoSmart ECO11 Electric Tankless Water Heater provides endless on-demand hot water, saves space, and saves energy. Its compact size allows it to be installed on the wall or at the point of use, and it is 90% smaller than traditional tank heaters. The tankless electric water heater is 99% thermal energy efficient, and only heats water when called, unlike tank heaters that maintain water temperature. It is ideal for low-flow applications like a bathroom or small sink, providing between 1.3 and 3.1 gallons per minute depending on the inlet water temperature. What we like: endless hot water, easy installation, cost-effective, space-saving design, high-quality construction. What we don't like: warranty void without licensed electrician, lacking clear wiring documentation. Number 2. Rinnai RX199 and Tankless Water Heater. The Rinnai Tankless Water Heater is designed for both indoor and outdoor use, making it versatile for any home. You can enjoy continuous hot water with its compact design, providing up to 11.1 gallons per minute, enough for 7 fixtures simultaneously. Its user-friendly interface and quick flush feature simplify maintenance, ensuring you have efficient hot water on demand. Additionally, the high energy efficiency rating means you can save on energy costs while enjoying reliable performance. For optimal installation, it is recommended to seek professional help, ensuring everything runs smoothly. What we like: endless hot water supply, space-saving design, easy installation, energy efficient, quick heating. What we don't like: requires additional components, some noise during operation. Number 3. Stiebel Eltron Tempra 24 Plus Tankless Water Heater. The Stiebel Eltron Tempra 24 Plus Tankless Water Heater is a great solution for anyone who wants endless hot water without sacrificing space. With its patented advanced flow control technology, it can automatically maintain water temperature for constant comfort, and will reduce flows slightly if hot water demand exceeds capacity. Its small, sleek design saves space and is eco-friendly, with the ability to save energy and electronically control water flow. The unit is easy to operate and noise-free while in use, with a digital temperature display and preset temperature and memory buttons. It's also backed by 7-year leakage and 3-year parts warranties. What we like: unlimited hot water supply, space-saving design, accurate temperature control, quiet operation, eco-friendly energy use. What we don't like: requires professional installation, possible water impurities issues. Number 4. Nessxa 2.65-gallon Electric Mini Tank Water Heater. The Nessxa Mini Tank Heater provides instant hot water at your sink, eliminating long wait times and reducing water waste. With a compact 2.65-gallon tank, it heats water quickly and efficiently. You can easily adjust the temperature between 77 degrees Fahrenheit and 176 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to customize your hot water experience while saving energy. The unit's design ensures safety, with ABS exterior and stainless steel interior, preventing any risk of electric shock. This versatile heater is perfect for homes, hotels, and restaurants, ensuring you have reliable hot water whenever you need it. What we like: instant hot water, compact design, easy installation, energy-saving mode, consistent temperature. What we don't like: limited tank capacity. Number 5. Rheem RTGH95 DVLN3 Tankless Water Heater. The Rheem Tankless Water Heater offers a versatile flow rate ranging from 0.4 to 9.5 gallons per minute, ensuring you have hot water when you need it. You can easily adjust the temperature settings between 100 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, with a default of 120 degrees Fahrenheit, providing comfort for various needs. The electric ignition feature makes starting up the heater simple and reliable. Additionally, this unit comes with extensive warranties, covering labor for 1 year, the heat exchanger for 15 years, and parts for 5 years, giving you peace of mind in your investment. What we like: space-saving design, easy installation, significant energy savings, consistent hot water supply, quiet operation. What we don't like: long distance for warm water. Some noise issues reported.